time from Passive Secrets, and in this video I'll show you how to clone or duplicate a funnel in ClickFunnels. Okay, so let's just dive in. The first step is to go into the funnel you want to duplicate or clone. Okay, so we'll go to the page that lists all our funnels. Okay, you do that by hover over ClickFunnels here and click on funnels. Okay, to take you a page that lists all the funnels in your account. Okay, now there are actually two ways you can clone or duplicate a funnel in ClickFunnels. The first step is actually from right here. Okay, the second way is to go into your settings. Okay, so I'll show you those two ways right here in this video. So the first step is, let's say I want to clone or duplicate this funnel right here. I can come right here and you see these three dots. I click on it and I'll see duplicate. Okay, I click on duplicate and it's going to now start the process of duplicating that funnel for me. Okay, you can see here is queued funnel cloning successful. Please wait a few minutes. So it's kind of like processing it and it's going to duplicate it for me. Okay, so just to show you how that works. Okay, see, it's done. I can view funnel, and let's say I want to, I can share this funnel, I can dictate, I can do whatever I want with it. Okay, I'll link to all those tutorials down, more tutorials down below. Okay, so let's say I want to edit, I want to change the name. I can come to settings here. Okay, and just edit it right here. Okay, but let's say I want to, let me go back there. Now the second way is actually by going back into settings. Okay, so second way to duplicate the funnel is actually going back into clicking on the funnel and going into the funnel settings. Okay, you can see here, you can go to settings here, and right here you see clone funnel. So if I click on this clone funnel, it's going to take me through the same process of duplicating my funnel. Okay, now let's say you mistakenly duplicated a funnel and you want to delete this. I'm going to link that in the description of this video, how to delete a funnel. Okay, now let's say you also want to duplicate a page. Okay, you want to duplicate this page or a funnel step. Okay, if once the page has been selected, just scroll down here, you see clone funnel step. Click on funnel step. It's going to duplicate this page or funnel step. Okay, but it's not going to show it right here. It's going to be under here. So what you do is you just come here and click add to funnel. Okay, and to add that step or that page to your funnel, you can just take it up anyhow. You can just take it up anyhow you want. Okay, so that's it, guys, for this video. Hope you guys got value from this video and you've seen how to duplicate a clone funnel in ClickFunnels. If you're new to ClickFunnels or you want to upgrade your ClickFunnels account to the annual plan or some of the secret ClickFunnels packages, I'm going to leave a link down to my bonuses. I give a lot of amazing bonuses. I give personal support, one-on-one coaching. You can message me anytime, mentorship. You can ask me any questions about ClickFunnels. You can hop on a call. I'll help you out with ClickFunnels account. All those cool stuff, but only for a limited time, as I can't do this for everybody. Okay, and also I also have a ClickFunnels course. I give out that for free for now. Just for now, I might turn into a paid course later. I'm going to link to that down in the description so you can get access to my free ClickFunnels course. Okay, so thank you guys for watching and I'll see you on the next one.